like let, and these two are most important of it. So we are going to know. So we are going to know these three variables one by one. Simply, I am going to minimize my page. I had minimized my page like this bit. Now what we have to do? I am going to basically make a folder. So if we are doing the JavaScript, so we have to know the basic HTML. I have made an index.html. There we are going to do the basic HTML code that you have to know the ID, paragraph, h2 and many more to learn. So as you can see, my page has been opened. I am going to write here the doc. Doc is equal to the doc type of it. So the document name will be JavaScript and the variable. Basically, I had telling you the variable total 3. The fourth one is the number. If I write here on script and I am going to writing here a paragraph hash a. So there is a paragraph with the ID a. If I write here let, so that's the variable a. So that the variable name. The first trick is to do like this, and then after that a is equal to what do you want to see. Right, like Subhan is the value. Save it. Now we have to go live from here. So basically we had made a script, and if I come here at my page, left click here, if I go to the inspect page, and here we are going to find a console. If I run here the a, that's the a, so that will be showing us Subhan. So if I want to show it at like in the console by not writing, like you can say by not writing a, console.log, the syntax will be console.log, the what is the variable name, that is a. Save it and come here, left click here, go to the inspect, and there we are going to find it. At the console there is Subhan written. So this is how can we do. So now I am going to tell you how can you make the variable. You can say how can we show it on the output, at the output, like there is a. So we are going to target this ID, that is a. Write a document dot get element by the ID. It will be the ID is going to be a, and then write dot inner HTML code, like inner HTML or any text. Inner HTML is going to be, if I write a Subhan like this, at the end there will be a semicolon. Save it. So there will be now Subhan. So if I write not Subhan, only a, so that is going to be send me Subhan. So that's how can we show the output. So the next we can use the next trick, that is not like this. That is the next trick is const. The next will be const, like you can write here let a is equal to not like this. Let a not it's going to be a, because a we had been written the a in the previous one. So I am going to simply writing here Subhan is a good boy. Save it. Come here, and we have to do the b, so there will be save it. Come here, Subhan is a good boy. So now what we have to do, we have to know these was the variables and the output, how can we show it. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I take new video and new content regularly. So I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.